Hey legendary learners, welcome back to Amicatis. It's been a long journey since I started coding, and along the way, I noticed something that no one told me in tutorials, and today, I want to share that with you. Let me be real with you, you're not improving in coding, and it's not because you're not smart. You're jumping from one course to another. You're not focused. You're just trying to finish stuff, not actually understand it. And yeah, taking help from GPT or Google is fine, but every time you hit a tiny bug, you run for help. That's not learning. That's skipping the thinking part. You're avoiding the one thing that actually makes you better. Struggling, sitting with a problem, thinking, failing, trying again. That's where real learning happens. If you never let your brain work through pain, it'll never grow. Coding is not about speed, it's about depth. So if you're stuck at the same level, maybe it's time to stop rushing. Pick one thing, go deep, struggle without shortcuts, build without fear, because the real reason you're not improving is that you're too busy avoiding the hard part.